The best options for users on a tight budget are low-cost smartwatches because they meet all of your basic needs, while premium models may have advanced and special features. An excellent low-cost smartwatch will keep track of your physical activity and workout routines and send you notifications when you need them. Even more features are crammed into some models, including GPS for running without a phone and NFC for mobile payments. 5. Garmin Forerunner 55. Beginners of running, take note. The best affordable smartwatch for running is the Garmin Forerunner 55, which costs a lot less than other high-tech models. It is an entry-level model, yes, but it is also thoughtfully designed and a step up from a simple fitness tracker with a user-friendly layout. The most helpful features are the new workout suggestions because they not only motivate beginners but also broaden their range of available workouts and help them find new ones. Of course, it has Garmin's excellent onboard GPS, which is designed specifically for runners. That is in addition to the other tools that are included specifically to assist you in improving as a runner. 4. Apple Watch Series 3. The Watch SE might be a better option if your budget is a little more flexible, but the Apple Watch Series 3 is still the only truly affordable option for Apple fans who are on a tight budget, despite being older. The Series 3, a non-4G variation of Apple's well-liked wearable family, still offers good value for the money and boasts top fitness features for Apple users who want to remain in the Apple ecosystem. Unfortunately, this smartwatch is incompatible with the recently released watchOS 9, but that shouldn't be a big deal if staying up to date with updates isn't important, which it isn't for many regular users. To its credit, it continues to be a strong choice. With features like enhanced heart rate monitoring that we found to be more accurate than ever, daily inspiration to help motivate you, and a dependable built-in GPS, we discovered it to be focused on the goal of helping you live a better, healthier lifestyle. Other fitness features include the ability to monitor a large number of workouts, connect to enabled gym equipment, and track your high-intensity interval training workouts. For a low-cost smartwatch, those are a lot of features. 3. Amazfit Bip U Pro. The best inexpensive smartwatch you can find for under $100 is the Amazfit Bip U Pro. If you are unfamiliar with the company, know that they are renowned for producing high-quality, reasonably priced smartwatches, making them the undisputed authority on the subject. The incredibly well-liked Bip U has been improved in this particular model. Additionally, it has a lot of great features for a cheap smartwatch, like an integrated voice assistant that works with Amazon Alexa and built-in GPS for tracking outdoors. It's actually one of the few inexpensive wearables with GPS. More than 60 workouts and activities, a camera shutter, and numerous fitness and health features like heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and breathing tracking are all included. 2. Garmin Descent G1. The Garmin Descent G1 is a highly recommended smartwatch for divers looking for a more affordable option. There's a good reason why dive watches aren't cheap, but this model from Garmin gives budget-conscious and beginning divers a choice that's almost half the cost of its competitors while still featuring a wide range of dive-specific features. This includes the display, which is exceptionally clear, especially in dive mode, the leak-proof buttons, and a dive rating of up to 100 meters. There are a number of dive modes available as well, including free dive and apnea hunt modes. You can access important dive data on the display, including a 3-axis compass, depth, deco-stop specifications, and residual nitrogen. You will also find lifestyle-specific features like health monitoring, biometric tracking, and sleep monitoring because this is more of a lifestyle/dive smartwatch hybrid. The battery life is the best part, lasting 25 hours while diving and up to 4 months when used as a smartwatch only. 1. Fitbit Versa 2. If you're looking for reasonably priced smartwatches, Fitbit is always a great choice, as demonstrated by the Fitbit Versa 2. It's still a fantastic option with lots of wonderful features that thrifty fitness enthusiasts can value. With its intuitive interface, even non-beginners can easily concentrate on the activity at hand rather than trying to figure out where to go to record their workouts. It's shrewd enough to log any activity lasting 20 minutes or more as exercise, even if you forget to. You have in the description the link of all the products. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.